you struggling to build a successful online presence for your business? Are you getting overwhelmed or not sure exactly where to start? Well, in this video, I give you the number one secret to growing your business online. And I even give you 3 steps to help you with that secret. And here it is: understanding your target audience. And I'm sure you've heard it 100 times, but if you don't get this right, you're just really throwing spaghetti at the wall. You need to know who you're talking to, what they need, and what you provide to give them a solution. And the one thing that is great about learning about your target audience outside of just helping to grow your business is a lot of your competition really doesn't take the time to do this. If you do take the time to research it, then you're already ahead of most of your competition. So I'm going to break it down to you. And here's a good place to start your market research on your target audience. Now, there's tons of places to research, but I would go online and create some surveys with tools like SurveyMonkey, Google Forms, Typeform, and ask questions to get your research completed. You can engage in communities, Facebook group, Discord servers, Reddit, and see where your audience is turning up and what they're interested in. Your current clients, you can also ask your current clients and get client input and feedback from them. Another option, read reviews and testimonials of your competitor. That's a good one. And you can even use like social listening to track and analyze conversations that are happening in your industry. If you have online properties, check your analytics, check your social media accounts, check all your online property analytics, whether it's Google for your website or the insights you get from your social media platforms that you're currently on. Another thing is to go to the social media accounts and go to users in your industry. Check out the comments, check out the content that gets the most engagement, and document this all. And finally, you can always just talk to potential customers, whether you're networking or you actually meet someone online and you ask them, can you do a follow-up call, and really pick their brain to see what they're actually looking for. Really listen to the words they're using. So number 2, the second step you want to do is once you've gathered all this information, it's time to analyze it. We're going to identify patterns and themes and figure out those specific pain points that your target audience is facing. And this is where we create a detailed profile of your target audience. This is going to be your ultimate cheat sheet. This is going to be your ultimate cheat sheet for speaking to them and making connections with them. This cheat sheet is your guide for creating content, developing a marketing strategy, and building an online presence that speaks directly to them. So there's a couple ways we can do this, but we can create a detailed profile, all the data you've gathered, and we're going to get all the common themes in there, their pain points, their needs, and their behavior. So you could start with the demographics like age, gender, income, some basic demographics never hurt. Then you're going to look at the pain points, the problems or challenges that they're facing that your business can solve. Then their needs, what are they looking for in your products or services? And habits, how they spend their time. What are they interested in? Are they part of a subculture, where they share a similar belief, like they're gamer girls or upthrifters? And then the buying process, what they look for, what they value, and what they consider when making a decision. Now, if this sounds way too overwhelming, I've got a little exercise you can do that will bring it down and help you understand how it works. Just think of when you're buying something. Create a profile of yourself as if you were to purchase a particular item that your business offered. When you go through the steps on how to create this profile, it will help you understand what's the best way to present your products or services to that profile. Now, just to be clear, I'm not saying you're the targeted audience for your business. You just want to do this exercise to help you understand the process and what the end result will be. And this detailed profile just helps you understand what makes them tick, what keeps them up at night, and what are they looking for. With this information, you can tailor your online presence and marketing strategy to speak directly to them, address their pain points and their needs. It's also essential to keep in mind that this is a living document, and this document is going to change. You're going to update it as your market and your business changes. Now, the next step is, how do you know your market research is any good? You're going to have to validate it. And you do that by getting feedback reviews, and testimonials to support your findings. If the feedback isn't good, then it's not the direction to go. But if customers are loving it, you know you've hit a pain point, and now you're going to be able to offer a solution and solve their problem. So we now know who the target market is, and they love our solution. We validate it. Now we just want to prioritize our target audience by relevancy and opportunity. So we're going to look at the information, we're going to look at your goals, and we'll figure out what group of people is most important and has the most potential for your business. So what does that look like? Let's say you run a fitness apparel brand, and your market research has shown that your target audience is women 25 to 45 who are interested in yoga and Pilates. However, you also found that within that group, there are two subgroups: working moms and stay-at-home moms. You can prioritize your target audience by looking at which subgroup has the most potential for your business. Now that we have the research, we can actually create the content that speaks directly to our audience. We're addressing their pain points, we're speaking their language, using the terms they're using, and we're creating solutions they're looking for. And we're talking in that way where we're creating solutions and they get it. They immediately identify with us. This builds a relationship with them, and then we test to see what content really resonates with them. And then we just monitor and adjust as needed. Now, if you need more help, I do have a beginner digital marketing video right here, but that's pretty well it. That's the first step to building your online presence. And I'm telling you, if you get this right, it makes everything so much easier. And remember, creating an online presence for your business is important. It allows you to reach a wider audience and increase your brand awareness. Nowadays, the majority of people go directly to the internet to research products and services. And you've got to think about when's the last time you didn't do that. So when you create that strong online presence, it just makes it easier for your potential customers to come find you and know more about your business. So there you have it. Thanks for watching, and good luck on your online marketing journey. And subscribe to this channel and hit the notification button so you know when the next time I upload another video.